Here's a great deal on a 2016 Dodge Dart. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has fewer than 60,000 miles. Under the hood, you'll find a four-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include front fog lights, speed-sensitive wipers, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, heated seats, heated door mirrors, and cruise control. Dodge ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Dodge's rigorous certification process. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.